Hello explorers, welcome back to another video. I am very excited to start regularly posting again. We've had a lot of life events happening through a lot of traveling, moving back in again into a new home. We did a big trip in Europe. A few weeks later, we did a very big trip in Asia. And then a few weeks after that, we did a very big trip in South America. So it has been an epic round the world adventure to add on to all of our other adventures across the years. And so just recently, we came back from South America. And as soon as we got back, we moved immediately into our new home in the Newcastle, Washington area, very close to Seattle, Washington. I'm excited to start posting on the regular. There is a new series I am looking forward to sharing with you, and it's going to be about what to pack, what to bring with you on a journey. Whether it's a multi-stop layover or it's an epic Southeast Asian travel coming up for you, or if it's by country, we're going to be posting a different video about each and different country to visit. And with that, there'll be a lot of sharing of our experiences through trial and error. And we'll be looking at the weather, how to pack for certain weather, for the elements, for multi-stops, the length of time, activities, all these things to keep in mind when you are packing for this trip that you're going on. And I'll be sharing carry-on advice, carry-on in a backpack or a rolling luggage, toiletry bags, EDC pouches, everyday carry pouches, and what to bring in your tech pouch, and just so many tips and advice that I possibly can from our experiences traveling throughout the years. This has been a series that has been highly requested over many years by quite a few people, how to pack efficiently and minimalistically too as well. So I am very excited to share this with you. This is a series that I've kind of been thinking about. It's been ruminating on my mind for some time, and I can't wait to show you. I know that when I was traveling at the very beginning, starting my very big travel journey, I would look up what to pack videos for different scenarios, different countries, different cities, and different climates. So I really hope that this video series really helps you pick out what you're going to be bringing with you. You most likely have everything you need, but if there's a few products here and there that could make your travels a lot easier, then I hope this helps with that too. So I'm excited to bring you our new packing series, what to bring with you, coming up very soon, and every single video that we'll be posting will be showcasing what to bring in a different place that we've gone to or are going to. And I can assure you that one of the best things I can tell people is that whether you're going for 4 to 5 days, to a few weeks, to over a month, you don't have to bring as much clothing as you think, right? Because that takes up the most bulk. So you can pack for 4 to 5 days, and that would be enough for months at a time. We did that, so trust us, it can be done. So I'm excited to share with you this new series, and I hope you follow along. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and let us know what you think about the things we recommend and the products we use. And also, if you have any tips or secrets to share about your travel journey experiences that you can share with other travelers, that would be great too. So see you next time. Bye, explorers.